From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemy.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miz Sandy, and today I'll be showing you how I made this lovely bouncy coils using a Brazilian wool from start to finish. If this is something like you love to watch, do make sure to keep on watching. So this is the materials that I used in creating this coils. So you want to first start by measuring 20 inches first before you cut. So you measure 20 inches for each of the coils, and that is just basically it. And yeah, let me mention this is the new Brazilian wool, so please don't come to my DM and start saying it's not. So please, I beg you, this is the new Brazilian wool, and yeah, it comes in 3 in a pack. So this is basically what I did. And yeah, need I mention that this ruler has a hook at the bottom part, but I couldn't find mine because I had mine long time ago, so I just had to make use of thread. But if you have a rubber band, that's just smaller rubber bands, you can actually make do of it. I didn't have that at the moment, so I made use of what I had, which was thread. So you want to make sure that you use the thread to just secure the tips of the wool like so. Make sure you secure it very well so that when you dip it in the hot water, it would not come out, and that would be like total waste of time. So you want to make sure you secure it like so, and then just create a knot like so. That's just basically it. I'm going to show you how to do this one more time so that I can properly understand how to do this, and when I'm done, I'm going to cut that part out. So yeah, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do make sure to do that, and also hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So this is basically how I did it. So just keep on watching so that you can pretty much understand how to do this by yourself.
I've learned I am stronger now. I won't let me down. No, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive.
So guys, this is how the colors turned out to look like. Very bouncy and very shiny. I really love the result and how it came out. If you want to see what I used this to achieve, do make sure to stick around by clicking on the notification bell so as to get updated when I post another video. And yeah, you can use this for passion twist, or you can use it for distress lock or butterfly locks. However, whichever one you want me to show you, do make sure to comment in the send a message in the comment section, and I'll definitely do a video for you. And that is all for today's video. I'll see you guys on my next video, to make sure to stick around. Bye.